Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don yarn say they support the All Progressive Congress APC gubernatorial candidate Senator Monday Okpegolo sake of say dey free from political contaminations. Oga Shaibu yarn this one when he appeared for AFEMAI World Congress wey shele on Saturday, July 27, 2024 for Detroit City for Michigan, United States. Honorable Shaibu for his speech can advise politicians say make them not rely on politics alone if they one day able to perform their duties well without any interference.
Working is strong, and I pray that God continue to protect all of us. And by the grace of God, elections are coming. Elections are coming. Elections are coming. Be interested. You will see that I moved to All Progressive Congress. Yeah, I'm back to All Progressive Congress. And the reason is not far-fetched. I went to PDP because of the governor, and I am back to APC because of the governor. I wanted to be governor of the state. He said he would destroy me if I continue. And he had done everything to destroy me, but God is making me stand. It's not my efforts, it's God and your prayers. But recently, on Thursday last week, I escaped an assassination by him. And the people that have been arrested are already confessing how they planned to assassinate me last week. And I escaped a lot of assassination during the military when we were fighting for this democracy. So the civilian assassination is very small compared to that of the military when we were there. But what is keeping me on is your prayers. I need those prayers, and God is answering them. I told Madam when she was worried that there's a deputy governor. I said, don't worry, Madam. By the grace of God, by the time I'm coming to AFEMAI convention this year, I'll be coming as deputy governor, not from a deputy governor. And she was like, I pray because I don't know. I said, Madam, don't worry. Yes, I've been impeached, but I'll be coming to this program as deputy governor because the impeachment was just part of those intimidation and harassment. And I was convinced when I was speaking to her, it was like a mission impossible because I'm the first deputy governor that had been impeached. Within 3 months, I'm reinstated. And the judge said there was never vacancy. And the judge went further in one of his consequential order to order that the governor should not, or his proxy, should not interfere with any of my duty as deputy governor till the end of the term. Is it not God? It's God. When I came last year, it was already 2 months in the quarrel. But when I came, I'm sure you never knew there was quarrel. I represented the state well. For the last check I got from government was May 25 last year. So it's 1 year, 2 months, I've not received any check from government. But I'm working strong. I'm doing well. That is why when you are coming into politics, you must have a second address. If you have a second address, you can look at them eyeball to eyeball and say, this must happen, this must not happen. Why? Because if it's the end of politics, you have somewhere to go back to. But most of our politicians, because there's nowhere to go back to. If they say jump, they'll tell you how high. If they say sit, they say how do I sit? I have gone beyond how high and how low. What is key now is how do we salvage our country, our state. The chairman said it's not time for English speaking. It's time to do the work. Do the work is what is there. The APC candidate that I'm supporting him because he's a fresher, is not contaminated yet. It's not contaminated yet. He doesn't speak too much English. He's talk less and do more. He's the first person to bring the jinx of APC having an inroad into Eastern land. And the same scenario that made him the senator that he is today is the same scenario that is playing at the state. So it's obvious that the grace of God is upon him. I have played my card. We are still young. If God says I'll be governor, I will be governor. I have left my ambition and everything about me politically to God. So I want to thank all of us. I hope I have not taken too much time. And by the grace of God, we will make our state, we will make AFEMAI the land of our dream. God bless you all.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him, we not to take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting, TMC TV News.